Well, morning folks, and welcome back to the channel. If you can't see this through the lens, it's slightly inclement, but this is the oval we'll be doing today.
Right folks, let's have a deep look in this hole.
How you doing there?
Hey everyone, how you doing?
We're just going to give you a run through on the tools we'll be using today.
It's a penny, all right.
Benny,
Look
nice.
at that.
Folks, I'm going to read it as you're seeing it. You are a special gift, blessing my life forever. I thank the Lord for such a precious treasure. Okay, flip her over. There you go. Daughter. Well, morning folks, and welcome back to the channel. If you can't see this through the lens, it's slightly inclement, but this is the oval we'll be doing today. It comes to you from the central coast again. The actual township means between two lakes in the local indigenous language. So I'll be here this morning with a new old mate, Mr. Brandy. How you doing there?
Hey everyone, how you doing?
We're just going to give you a run through on the tools we'll be using today. So as you can see, I always got the 11-inch Knox 800. I'm using the new Detect-Ed collapsible shaft to give it a run today and see how we're going. Here's the bag of tricks, the Garrett Fines bag, Profinder 35 handheld, something for the coins, something to clean them up, bit of foo-foo. There's the old Nocta digging tool. Of course, we've got some gloves, knee pads of course, and hat for the noggin. All right, Brandy's a little lighter on. He's got the Knox 800 as well. He's got a Detect-Ed shaft, earphones, and basic same kit. Yep, 30 Profinder 35. So we'll be going along side by side this morning and working out what we can find together, and we'll see what we can come up with in the video for you. So we'll see you on the first hole. So old mate Brandy's on one straight away. We've got a, what signal, Brandy?
2728.
2728. All right, we're going to go live dig on this one. See how we go, folks. Some more excellent footage going on here. As you can see, the ground's sort of wet. He's got the appropriate footwear on. Some nice gummies. Let's get in here. Can you see anything? Maybe not. What do we got there? Here we go. First one off the rank.
There you go.
She's a 2-center, I think, a frilly lizard. Get her out, mate. Yep. All right then.
So what's the start?
On to the next. All right, Brandy, we've got ourselves a nice solid 21, 22 signal there. Let's get her up. See what we can come up with. I'll go this way, huh? So whilst we're on this oval, folks, as always, we try and keep our plugs nice and tight so that we don't damage the joint. So now let's give her a look at the signal strength. Okay, so we've got 21, 22. It's down reasonably deep. So let's see if we can get her out. Okay, we're hoping for a just here. Here we go, mate. Yeehaw. We've got our first Aussie dollar. There you go, folks. There's the Mobberoos. And she's a 1985 Queen Elizabeth. Mate, we're off to a good start.
There you go.
My shout for the coffees. Okay, folks. That's the finished product after we've extracted the dollar coin. You can see. And if there's another rain shower this afternoon or the next day or so, that'll all be washed in. Won't even know we've been here. Righto. Okay, folks. Deep 21, 22 signal. There you go, Brandy. I don't know. Just get her up. There we go. Might be able to do all live digs today, folks, and you can see the process from go to woe. That way you're seeing it come up out of the ground as we do. All right, mate, we're getting a solid 21, 22 out of the plug, the pudding. Let's get it in and get it out. What about there? What's that? There you go. Look at that. There you go. The sister coin to the dollar. The Queen Elizabeth Aboriginal $2 gold coin. There you go, folks, straight out of the ground. Money for nothing, and your chicks for free. Righto. You good, mate? There she goes. Back in, and we're done. Right, so we're on a nice 21, 22 signal. So I've been getting a fair bit of trash at that signal range at the moment here. So we'll see what we can bring to you live. Look at that excellent footage. All right, in we go. Where is she, mate?
I think I got her.
All right, in the pudding. All right, let's get her out. Right, any of you guys see anything coming in here? Just a big open cut. All right, get it out, mate. Still a little further in. Oh, yeah. I reckon that might be gold.
A bit weird because
Oh yeah,
she was,
here we go. See that? Beautiful. Oh mate, this might be a Goldilocks run, this adventure. Mate, that's $5 we've got so far. Awesome.
beautiful.
Right on, Brandy. I reckon that's worth a investigation, don't you?
Yeah, 25.
Yep. And a reasonable depth too, so let's see if we can get something up to the surface.
Hopefully she's in the plug.
No, but it's reading 30, 31 and deep in the plug hole. So I'm just going to clear a bit out now and just bring it up because I think this could be a good coin. Not sure. Check to see if it's in this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going up as 23 now because the moisture content's affecting the signal a bit. Well, let's see if we can find it. It's a good idea
Nice
to do
penny
that.
here.
Huh?
Might be a nice penny here.
What do we got? What do we got? Oh yeah, mate.
Oh yeah.
What do we got? You see that, folks? Oh, she's caked in. It's a com penny, all right.
One penny.
Look
Nice.
at that. Come on, be a 1930. She's got a nice green patina to it too. All right, folks, we'll clean her up and we'll get you a nice pic. Just Okay folks, as best as I could clean it up, it's a 1924 Com penny, that's the reverse. And there's Georgie Boy the 5th. He's got all the growths and everything on him. We'll take you a couple of pics and we'll go from there. Righto.